Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Edukapi, your AI tutor application. So first of all you need to install it and then tap on the open button. Then you will see here two options in the bottom part, begin, and I already have an account. So tap on the begin, then you can see scan any problem, learn step by step, and ask all the question you need. Next, so let's go. And here, are you a student or a parent? So you can tap student. Next, wherever you born, so you have to give your birthday and country. And after that, what do you need help with? So like here you'll see four option: math, biology, chemistry, physics, history, and economics. So you can tap. So I'm just going to tap, or you can tap multiple. So if you face all of them, then you can tap all of them. Then next, then you need to open your account. So it's really easy. If your Gmail is login, then you can tap on the continue to Google, or you can continue with Facebook. So you have to, I'm just going to create my account, continue with Google. And after that, you can see it's loading now. I'm just going to connect my Gmail account. So here you can see, so this is the thing. So you can get here recommended. So you updating, you have to capture your mathematics, or you can get here. So basically you can swipe right or left to select the subject. You have to capture that math and then resolve. So there is no here, it's just for test. So you can resolve it. So this way you can actually use this. There are many options, but you can try. So today is no more, and see you in the next video.